Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be giving you guys a full face makeup beat using all drugstore products. So before we hop into the video, you guys, if you are not yet subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure you guys go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos, because you're not going to want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and hop into it. You guys, so this video I'm actually just going to be doing a voiceover for this whole video. You guys, I haven't done voiceover in a long time and I'm in the middle of doing a TikTok makeup look for this and as well as a YouTube video. So we're going to do a voiceover for this, so you'll see me in the beginning talking and then you'll also see me towards the end just ending it off. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, so first I'm going to prime my eyes with the PORELESS primer. Alright you guys, so this Wet n Wild palette is not new. It's actually an older palette, but it's new to me and I wanted to check it out and try it out. The colors are pretty neutral and really pretty. So let's go ahead and see how it works on the eyeballs. So I'm going to use this brush. This is my favorite brush that I use in every video, you guys know. And I'm actually going to go in with that cream color first as my base. And I'm going to go in with a transition color. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to go in with that transition color. It's more of like a caramel tan color. I'm just going to apply that to my lid. And you guys, when I'm applying this eyeshadow to this palette, I'm actually soft patting it on my lid because there is a lot of fallout and it isn't that much pigmented, so I'm kind of disappointed in the actual palette itself. Alright you guys, so I have switched over to my Morphe 3503 palette, you guys, because that palette was not giving me any color at all. I am so done with it. I'm actually going to pitch it after this video. So I'm going in with this bright orange color, you guys, to go ahead and give me some color and some life again because I didn't have any before. And I'm going to do that to both eyes. Next I'm going to go in with that pretty pink color and then go in towards the inside of my eye and actually just softly pat in that color. Alright you guys, so I had to switch palettes because the palette that I was using was so crappy. So I'm using the Morphe, you guys, and I went ahead and did a cut crease, like a little bit of a cut crease, you guys, and added some little bit of glitter to it. So now I'm going to put a little bit of a cut crease here at the lid of my eye, and I'm going to add a green shade, like a bright green to that. I wanted to do like a nice, cute, fun look, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm actually going to be using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear to actually prime that lid right there to give me that nice, bright color. I'm so disappointed in that color, you guys. I just can't believe it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, so I'm actually going to create a nice cute little cut crease just at the tip of my lid so that I can go ahead and apply that green. It's just going to make my eyes pop and give it like nice color and a little bit of life. So alright you guys, so I went ahead and added my lashes on. I did like a nice little wing eyeliner. I put a little bit of gold glitter at the top, you guys. So now I'm going to go in and prime my face. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild matte primer, you guys, to prime my face. Alright you guys, next I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. This is their Poreless Primer Putty. This is their Poreless Putty Primer, you guys. I'm actually going to try this out. I've been hearing a lot of like ranting and raving about this. Like people love it. It's their holy grail. I'm going to try because I do have some like little bit of pores that kind of pop out around this part of my face. So I'm going to try to get it today, you guys. I did not like the white, just basic like matte putty primer. I didn't like how it felt on my face, but I'm gonna try this one today, you guys, and see how it does on my face. I don't know. This is my first time trying it, but hey, never know. It may work out. When did we get this low? Alright you guys, next I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro. This is their orange concealer, you guys. This is my holy grail. This is my favorite to cover up my dark circles. So you guys see right here, I got a little bit of darkness there. And I'm actually looking for a good product, you guys, to actually help out with that. So if I find something and if you guys need it, I will be more than happy to share it with you guys because this is out of control at this point. So I'm going to just cover this up, you guys, and blend it in, and then we're going to move into foundation. We're still 22, Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. I use it in every video. But seriously, you guys, if you haven't checked it out, make sure you go try it because e.l.f. has some amazing products, you guys. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the e.l.f. This is their Halo Glow Setting Powder. So the color that I got in this one, you guys, is more of a deep color. I will tag everything down below, you guys, the color and shades as well as far as the setting powders and the actual palette. So. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe. This is the F440. This is their matte full coverage foundation, you guys. This is my holy grail. I love it. I use it in almost every video, you guys, and it's actually almost time for me to restock on it, but let's go ahead and use it today.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna do a little bit of contour around the face. This is my favorite, oh my gosh, favorite holy grail Black Radiance. This is the contour, true contour palette, you guys. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. And the brush that I'm going to use, you guys, is it's a slanted brush, you guys, but it's actually a complexion brush. So, but I use it for my cheeks when I do this. It just looks so good on the face. So we're gonna sculpt it now. The Wet n Wild. This is the blush, you guys. The color on this, the shade on this one is the Nudist Society. I've never used anything by Wet n Wild ever in my life. So this is like my first time. And I don't like the palette that I was using at first, you guys. I can definitely tell you that there was no pigment. There was nothing coming from that palette. It was just so bland and dull. So hopefully this blush gives me a little bit of color, you guys, on the cheeks because I love the color of it. But I don't know. A lot of fallout on this blush too as well. You guys can see that. Well, let's see how it does for the cheeks. Let's see if it gives me some life on the cheeks. Oh. I really don't need a shimmer. I don't really need a shimmer. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. You guys can see that. So pretty. Okay, the blush is on point. I'm loving the shimmer on that. That's really pretty. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be trying a new lip combo here. So this is the new Maybelline. This is their Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. The color that I got this in is totally toffee, you guys. I have really gotten into doing lip liners and adding like a little nice matte and maybe some gloss here and there on the lips. I just love the look of it. So I'm going to try it today. This is something new that I'm going to try. Let me show you guys the tip of that. Is it going to stay? Is it going to stay? Okay, that's what it looks like. You guys can see that color there. Let's see if we can focus. Can we focus? Alright guys, it's not gonna focus. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start lining the lips up right now, you guys. I'm gonna use a nice, like, pretty matte. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's just go ahead and line the lips.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Alright you guys, so now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is the coffee collection that you guys, I did a video on this one. I will tag it up above. These are my favorite like little matte liquid lipsticks to rock, and they stay and they last for a long time. So I'm going to use it today to kind of go in between that line, that lip liner that I did.
So nice.
Alright you guys, so I went ahead and filled up gloss over top of the lip liner and the actual liquid lipstick. And the gloss that I used was the So Juicy by ColourPop. These are my favorite, inexpensive, I think it's like $8, like lip gloss. Like this is like so thick and it's just so luscious on the lips, as you can see. But let me go ahead and give you guys a nice little face overview, okay?
Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Alright you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. We had some flaws there, but we had some flaws there, but I went ahead and I corrected everything on up. So If this is your first time to my channel and you've made it to the end of this video, make sure you go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so that you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you're not going to want to miss anything that I bring this year, 2021, you guys. I'm like hitting it hard. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.